All right, today we're going to talk about just going over multiplying and dividing integers. So this is to help you understand the quiz over our 3 questions of multiplying and dividing integers. So on the side, you're going to see that there's like a level 3. So that 3 just means this is a level 3 question, and the 2 represents a level 2 question. So we're going to start with the level 2. So it just says, write whether the answer will be positive or negative. So if I multiplied a positive times a negative, the answer will always be negative. So it doesn't matter which number is bigger or not or anything like that. It's just if they're different signs, it's going to be negative. If I am going to divide a negative by a negative, my answer is going to be positive. So these were just simple rules. You know the rules of multiplying and dividing. The level 3 question is now applying those rules and answering this question. So negative 8 times 7 is a negative because we have a negative times a positive, and 8 times 7 is 56. So it's a negative 56. Then we have negative 100 divided by a negative 10. So that's a negative and a negative. So that's going to be a positive. And then 100 divided by 10 is just 10. So that should have been your answer for those. So the main point was just to make sure that you understand how to do the positive and negative, not necessarily the multiplying and dividing.